Morning students, hope you all are doing good at your homes. So today we are going to bind up our topic with this question, which is chemical formulae of the compounds. Okay students, so today we will be solving this question, or we will be discussing about the NCERT question number 4. Okay, so what does the question says? That write the chemical formulae of the following. Okay students, so what we have to write? We have to write the chemical formulae of the following compounds. Firstly, we have to write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Secondly, calcium oxide. Third, copper nitrate. Fourth, aluminium chloride. And fifth, calcium carbonate. Okay, students. So we are going to firstly take magnesium chloride. So students, we already know that magnesium chloride is made up of is consisting of what? Magnesium and chlorine. Okay, students. तो मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड किससे मिलके बनता है? मैग्नीशियम से और क्लोरीन से. Magnesium as a metal and it combines with a non-metal chlorine. Okay students, now we will write down their symbols. So symbol of magnesium is Mg, and what is the symbol of chlorine? Cl, and their valencies. So what is the valency of magnesium? It is +2. And what is the valency of chlorine? -1. And what we used to do? We used to simply cross over their valencies. Okay, so in this way we will cross over their valencies. Okay, and what we have studied in the rules, that the symbol of metal will be written first, or the name of the metal will be written first. So we will write Mg, its crossover valency 1, and then we will write the non-metal and its crossover valency 2. Okay students, so what comes out to be the formula of magnesium chloride? What is the formula of magnesium chloride? So the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Okay students, now we are moving on towards our second example or second question, which is we have to write the formula of what? Calcium oxide. Okay students, so now from the name of the compound, what we can conclude? That it is made up of calcium as a metal and oxygen as a non-metal. Okay students, and their symbols, we will write down their symbols. So symbol of calcium is Ca, and that of oxygen is O, and we will write down their valency. So valency of calcium is +2, and that of oxygen is -2. Okay students, and now what we will do? We will cross over their valencies. In this manner we will cross over their valencies. And what we used to do? We used to write the formula of or symbol of metal first. So it will be Ca and its crossover valency 2, and then non-metallic oxygen and its crossover valency 2. Okay students, now we will simplify these numbers. So the formula of calcium oxide comes out to be CaO. Comes out to be CaO. Okay students. So students, our third question is that we have to write the formula of copper nitrate. Okay students, so from the name of the compound, that it consists of copper and ये किससे मिलके बना है? कॉपर से और नाइट्रेट रेडिकल से. Okay students, now we will write down their symbols. Symbol of copper is Cu, and that of nitrate is NO3. Okay students, and now we will write down their valencies. So valency of copper is +2, and that of nitrate is -1. Okay students, so now we will write down the symbol of metal firstly. So it will be Cu, and its crossover valency 1, and we will enclose the formula of radical in a bracket. हम लोग रेडिकल को एक ब्रैकेट में enclose करते हैं, and after that we used to write the crossover valency. ओके, इसके बाद ही तो हम लोग crossover valency लिखते हैं. So now what will be the formula of copper nitrate then? So what will be the formula of copper nitrate? It will be CuNO3 whole twice. Okay students, So what can we conclude from the formula of copper nitrate? That it is made up of one copper atom and two nitrate radicals. Okay students, so when one copper atom combines with two nitrate atoms or two nitrate radicals, then one molecule of copper nitrate is formed. Okay students, and जब ये सारे copper nitrate के molecules जब combine होते हैं तो compound copper nitrate form होता है. Okay students, so students, we are moving on towards our fourth question, which is we have to write the formula of aluminium chloride. Okay students, तो हमें किसका formula लिखना है? Aluminium chloride का. So from the name itself we can conclude that the compound is made up of aluminium and chlorine. Okay students, so now we will write down their symbols. So symbol of aluminium is Al and that of chlorine is Cl. Now we will write down their valency. So valency of aluminium is +3 and that of chlorine is -1. Okay students, now what we will do, we will simply cross over their valencies. Okay, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि उनकी valencies को cross over कर देंगे. Okay, in this way we will cross over their valencies. Now we will write down the formula of the compound. So our rule says what? Our rule says that the symbol of the metal should be written first and its crossover valency, and after that only we will write the non-metal and its crossover valency 3. Okay students, so now what will be the formula of aluminium chloride now? Formula of aluminium chloride is what? AlCl3. Okay students, now students, we are moving on towards our fifth question, fifth sub part, and we have to write down the formula of what? Calcium carbonate. Okay students, so from the name of the compound what we can conclude? That it is made up of calcium metal and what? Carbonate radical. And what are radicals? Radicals are group of atoms having charge. Okay students, now we will write down the symbols. So symbol of calcium is Ca and that of carbonate is CO3. Okay, and now we will write down their valency. So what is the valency of calcium? It is +2 and that of carbonate is -2. Now what we will do? We will simply cross over their valencies. Okay students, now we will cross over their valencies. Then what will be the formula? It comes out to be Ca2 and CO3 whole twice. Okay students, ये radical है तो इसको हम लोग एक bracket में enclose करेंगे and after that only we will write down the number. Okay, so these numbers are varying a simplest whole number ratio, so we will simply convert them in a simplest whole number ratio. Then it comes out to be CaCO3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब यहाँ पे 1 रह गया तो फिर ब्रैकेट की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, सो देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ब्रैकेट व्हेन only 1 is outside. Okay students, and so that's it for today students. Hope you all have understood how to write the formula of different chemical compounds. Okay students, so for writing the formula of chemical compounds, what is the most important thing? That you should know about the symbols and valencies of different elements. Okay students, so you need to practice as much as you can of writing the formula of chemical compounds. Okay, and if you are having any doubt you can simply ask me. Okay students, and from tomorrow onwards we will be studying about how to write the name of the compound when the formula of the compound is given. Okay students, so from tomorrow we will be studying that हम लोग कैसे नाम लिख सकते हैं, कैसे हम लोग कंपाउंड का नाम लिख सकते हैं अगर उसका फॉर्मूला गिवन हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो गुड बाय.